Good morning everyone and welcome to the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter in civics and the chapter number is 7 and the name of the chapter is Urban Administration. So first of all you all take out your civics book and after that you take out this chapter number 7. So in the previous chapter we have discussed rural administration, how things are done in rural areas, how the conflict or quarrel arise between two people, then how this quarrel is solved, what is the function of the police, what is the function of the patwari, and we have also discussed the function of Tehsildar. So all these things have been discussed in rural administration. And now we are going to discuss the urban administration. Urban administration means we know we are living in urban areas and we know that so many people are living together. And so many activities are going on in the urban areas, like so many buses and vehicles are going on. Traffic control is there is need to control the traffic. Then markets are there. Then supply of water, supply of electricity. Everything is रनिंग है ना, सब कुछ चल रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. हु इज़ responsible for all these services in urban areas? Who takes decision regarding all these services in urban areas? So these are the questions about which we will understand under this chapter. Okay, so I'm going to start the chapter. Okay. Urban administration. One lazy Sunday afternoon, Mala and her friends Sankar, Jahangir and Rehana were playing a game of cricket in the street. So, just like a previous chapter, this chapter is also starting with a story. And in this story, what we find, there are 4 children. Their name is Mala, Jahangir, Rehana and Sankar. These 4 children are playing cricket on Sunday. Okay. Now what happens when they are playing cricket? They are enjoying the game very much. Now we see Sankar had bowled a good over, and although he nearly managed to get Rehana out, she was still batting. So what is the scene? You have to imagine Sankar is bowling, okay, and he is a very good bowler, and Rehana is batting, and Sankar was trying very hard to get Rehana out, and many times he was nearly to achieve his aim of getting Rehana out, but he was not successful in his aim because Rehana was still batting, है ना. उसने कई बार वो ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड बॉलर, तो कई बार ऐसे उसने बॉल किया जिससे कि रेहाना आउट होते होते बच गई है. ठीक है. नाउ द एम ऑफ द शंकर इज टू गेट रेहाना आउट, किसी तरह से रेहाना को आउट किया जाए. सो ही इज़ वेरी मच फोकस्ड ऑन द गेम पे वो उसने अपना पूरा फोकस बना के रखा हुआ है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस? Frustrated, he bowled a short ball and hoped she would hit it for an easy catch. Now he was very much frustrated. He just wanted to get her out, but he was not successful. So now what he did, he bowled a very short ball. Okay, it's a trick, it was a trick कि एक शॉर्ट बॉल जब हम बॉलिंग करेंगे तो क्या होगा, रेहाना उस पर पूरा जोर से बैटिंग करेगी, और जब रेहाना उस पर बैटिंग पूरे जोर से करेगी तो क्या होगा कि बॉल उछल के जाएगा और उसको कोई जो बाकी के फ्रेंड्स हैं जहांगीर एंड माला, कोई उसको कैच कर लेगा एंड सी विल बी आउट. तो दिस वाज द स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ शंकर कि शॉर्ट बॉल फेंक के उसको वो पूरा फुल टॉस जिसको कहते हैं, फुल टॉस घुमा देगी और वो कैच होकर के आउट हो जाएगी. सो कीपिंग दिस इन व्यू ही bowled a very short ball, and then what happened that Rehana hit the ball. Rehana hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Now the ball was short and Rehana got the opportunity to hit the ball very hard. So he hit the ball very hard and it went so high. The ball went so high that it broke the street light. Now the street light was broken by the ball which was batted by Rehana. Now Rehana screamed, "Oh no, look what I have done." Now Rehana she became very fearful कि क्या उससे हो गया. She has done a mistake. She has broken the street light. Now what Shankar is saying, Shankar said, yes, we forgot to make a rule that if you break the street light you are automatically out. Now just see, Shankar is only concerned about his wicket. He is only concerned about how to get Rehana out, and he is not at all concerned कि street light टूट गई है अब क्या होगा. No, he is not at all thinking about a street light. He is saying that we should have made a rule that if someone bats like this, that the street light is broken, then in that situation the person will be automatically out. So he thought कि रेहाना ने ऐसे बैटिंग की है कि स्ट्रीट लाइट टूट गया तो अब हम लोगों को इसको आउट कर देना चाहिए और हमें एक नया रूल बना देना चाहिए कि इफ समवन बैट्स लाइक दिस देन he or she will be out. So he is not concerned, he is so much focused in the game, है ना. वो पूरा गेम में ही उलझा हुआ है, उसको कुछ चिंता नहीं है कि क्या होगा, अब स्ट्रीट लाइट टूट गया अब क्या होगा. ओके, सो now what happens, Mala, Jahangir and Rehana were more worried about what had happened and they told Shankar he would better stop thinking about the wicket. Now the other three children, Shankar, Mala and Jahangir, first of all I am writing the names of the children. Mala, Jahangir, Rehana and Shankar. So we have seen Shankar is bowling the ball. Shankar is bowling the ball and Rehana is batting. And these two, Mala and Jahangir, they are fielders. है ना? He is the bowler and she is the bats. You can say her batswoman. She is batting, है ना. तो ये खेल हो रहा है. अब शंकर ने ऐसा बॉल रेहाना को दिया कि रेहाना ने बहुत हाई और बहुत हिट उसको हार्ड बहुत हाई एंड हार्ड हिट किया, जिससे क्या हुआ, स्ट्रीट लाइट जो है वो टूट गई. Now what happens, the Shankar was concerned only about the wicket. He is saying ki as Rehana has hit in such a way that the light has broken, now she should be out. Okay, but these three children, Shankar, Jahangir, Mala, Jahangir and Rehana, these three are very much concerned about what had happened. जो हुआ है उससे वो बहुत परेशान है कि they are thinking that they have broken the street light. Now what they have to do? And now they are asking Shankar not to, he would better stop thinking about the wicket. They are asking Shankar, stop thinking about the wicket. You should think about the situation. So last week they had broken Nirmala Mausi's window and had spent their pocket money to have it replaced. So what happened last week? Last week also they were playing like this, and when they were playing, by mistake they have broken the window of Nirmala Mausi. Nirmala Mausi was living in the same locality, वहीं पर उनका घर था, एंड बच्चे जो खेल रहे थे लास्ट वीक, उससे निर्मला मौसी के घर की विंडो जो है वो टूट गई थी. ओके, अब नाउ आफ्टर दिस व्हाट हैपेंड दैट दे हैड टू पे फॉर दैट. जो उन्होंने निर्मला मौसी का लॉस किया, द लॉस विच वॉज डन बिकॉज ऑफ दीज चिल्ड्रेन, दे हैव टू गिव बैक दैट मनी to Nirmala Mausi. And what was done by these children? They gave their pocket money to Nirmala Mausi so that she could replace the window. जो भी whatever खर्चा, whatever expense is going to happen in replacement of the window, that expense was given by the children from their pocket money, है ना. This happens many times. We also face this type of situation. तो last week तो ये हुआ था. Now they are seeing that again this week they have broken the street light. Now they are thinking, would they have to dish out money again from their pocket? Again they have to give money to replace this street light. But who would they pay this to? But they were not understanding that this street light belongs to whom. As in the case of Nirmala Mausi, the window belonged to Nirmala Mausi. So when they broke the window, they gave money to Nirmala Mausi so that she can replace it. But now they have broken the street light and they are not knowing who is the owner of this street light, or this street light belongs to whom. So if they have broken the street light, and if they have to give money to replace this street light, then to whom they should give the money? किसको देना होगा money? क्या करना होगा? They are not knowing anything. But who would they pay this to? To whom did the lights on the street belong? वो किसके हैं? ये lights किसके हैं? Who changed them? Whenever there is need to change the light, who changed them? They are not knowing any answer to these questions. So they are very puzzled. Now we will see what they did. Rehana's house was the closest, and they ran and told her mother what had happened. So the street in which they were playing, Rehana's house was closest to that place. So all of them ran to Rehana's house and asked her, tell her mother what had happened. Okay. And now Rehana's mother is saying, after after knowing what had happened in the street, now Rehana's mother is saying, I don't really know these things in great detail, but I do know that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. So Rehana's mother is saying that she is not knowing so many things about all these matters. She is not very much aware. She is not knowing in great detail the matters related to these street lights. But she knows this much that these street lights belong to municipal corporation. That municipal corporation is there, and that municipal corporation takes care of replacing lights. So this information was given by Rehana's mother, that the street light which was broken by the children, that street light is taken care by the municipal corporation. Now the children became aware of a new organization, that is municipal corporation, and these street lights are taken care by the municipal corporation only. The best person, now Rehana's mother is continuing, she is saying the best person to ask would be Yasmin Khala. Rehana's mother is saying that if you want to know more about all these things, then you must go to Yasmin Khala. She will be the best person who can tell you all the things in detail. Okay, so why she will be the best person to tell all these things? Because she just retired from the municipal corporation. She was working in this municipal corporation and she was just retired from her work. So go and ask her, and Rehana come back home soon. So Rehana's mother is saying that all of you go to the house of Yasmin Khala. She will tell you everything, because she was working in this municipal corporation and she was retired just a few times ago, some times ago. So she asked them to go to the house of Yasmin Khala. Yasmin Khala. Khala is for Mausi. Okay, so now we see what happens next. Yasmin Khala lived in the same lane and she and Rehana's mother were good friends. So what we find that Yasmin Khala lived in the same lane. जिस lane में Rehana रहती थी, Yasmin Khala was also living in the same lane. And Rehana's mother and Yasmin Khala, both of them were good friends. The children ran to Khala's house, and when she opened the door, they began to tell her what had happened all at once. So all the four children ran to the house of Yasmin Khala, and the moment she opens the door, they started to tell Yasmin Khala about the incident. बिल्कुल घबरा के जल्दी जल्दी से वो यास्मीन खाला को सारी बातें बताने लगते हैं. When they asked about the street light, Yasmin Khala laughed and said, now they are asking about the street light. They are asking that they have broken the street light. Now they must give money to replace this street light. But they are not knowing to whom they should give money. And they are also not knowing that this street light belongs to whom. So they are asking all these questions to Yasmin Khala. And now Yasmin Khala laughed by hearing all these things from children. She laughed and said, there is no one person that you can pay the money to. These street lights do not belong to one person, just like in the case of Nirmala Mausi. The window belonged to Nirmala Mausi. Nirmala Mausi was the owner of the window. So when you have broken the window, you paid money to Nirmala Mausi to replace that window. But now in the case of a street light, there is no single person who is the owner of this street light. So you cannot pay the money to one person. There is a big organization called the Municipal Corporation. This Municipal Corporation, this is a very big organization. There is a big organization called the Municipal Corporation that takes care of street lights, garbage collection, water supply, keeping the streets and the market clean. So now Yasmin Khala is telling the children that this municipal corporation is there in the city, in our area. This is a very big organization, and this organization is responsible for street lights. This organization is also responsible for maintaining cleanliness, and it is also responsible for collecting garbage, okay, water supply. All these works are done by municipal corporation. So now the children were given this information by Yasmin Khala. I have heard about the municipal corporation. They have put up signs around the city to inform people about malaria. Now one of the children, Mala is saying that she has heard about municipal corporation. उसने पहले भी municipal corporation के बारे में सुना है ना? और क्या सुना है, कैसे, how she is knowing about this municipal corporation? Because she has seen signs around the city, and these signs are regarding the disease of malaria. How you can prevent, how you can protect yourself against this disease. This kind of information was there in the sign, and these signs were put up by municipal corporation. So Mala is somehow aware of this municipal corporation, and when Mala is saying that she had seen these signs around the city in which information is given about the disease of malaria, it means we are coming to know about one more function of municipal corporation, that it is also responsible for preventing the disease. It is also responsible for informing the people about the disease, how they can protect themselves from disease, है ना? So it was said by Mala. Yes, you are quite right. The municipal corporation is also responsible for ensuring that diseases do not break out in the city. So, as Yasmin Khala told, the municipal corporation is responsible for so many works like street light, maintaining of a street light, then collection of garbage, maintaining cleanliness in the city, and apart from these functions, municipal corporation is also responsible for giving information to the people regarding disease, so that they can protect themselves against the disease. It also runs schools, hospitals and dispensaries. Municipal corporations also runs schools where children come for getting education. The corporation also runs hospitals, and dispensaries where people get medicines. So all these facilities are given to the people by the municipal corporation. And makes gardens and maintains them. Gardens are also made by municipal corporation. Parks, you must have seen so many parks in our city also. These parks are maintained by municipal corporation only. Then she added, one city, Pune, is a big city, and so here it is called municipal corporation. In smaller towns it is called a municipal council. So in bigger cities this is called municipal corporation, which performs so many functions. We have discussed the functions of municipal corporation. And in smaller cities, if the city is small, then it will not be called municipal corporation. This story of Mala, Shankar, Jahangir and Rehana, the story of these children are from the city of Pune, and Pune is a big city. So here this is a municipal corporation, but in smaller cities it is municipal council. Okay, so you must remember this. Municipal corporation is for bigger cities. So there are two types of organization. Municipal corporation. It is for bigger cities. Okay, and then municipal council. It is for smaller cities. Okay. Now we will see the ward councillor and administrative staff. How this municipal corporation is formed. Who are the people who are there in the municipal corporation. Okay. So Yasmin Khala, I am curious. Who decide where a park should go? Did you have to make interesting decisions like this when you worked in the municipal corporation? Asked Rehana. Now the curiosity of the children is increasing. They want to know so many, they want to know answers to so many questions. Now Rehana is asking, suppose a decision is taken that at one place park will be made. Who takes this decision? कि where there should be a park. ऐसे decision कौन लेता है? Who has the power to take this decision regarding the location of the park, कि कहाँ पे park बनाना है? ऐसे decision कौन लेता है? And the children are knowing that Yasmin Khala was working in municipal corporation. So Rehana is asking that you were also there, and do you have this work to take decision regarding the location of the park? So when आप जब वहाँ पे काम करते थे तो क्या आप भी इस तरह के डिसीजंस लेते थे कि अगर पार्क बनाना है सिटी में तो कहाँ पे बनाना है? इसके रिगार्डिंग आपने क्या डिसीजन लिया था? नाउ देयर क्यूरियोसिटी इज़ वेरी मच, है ना, वो बहुत कुछ जानना चाह रहे हैं. नो रेहाना, आई वॉज वर्किंग इन द अकाउंट्स ऑफिस of the corporation, so I just worked on pay slips. Now she is explaining, Rehana's Yasmin Khala is explaining that she was working in the accounts department of municipal corporation. She was there not to take decisions. Her function was only to see the pay slips. Other than this, she has nothing to do. She was not there to take decisions. Okay, and now we have done for today's class, and now we will discuss other things in the next class.